Okay guys, welcome to our trading session today. This is going to be really short, okay? We're going to use the key strategy and my student is trading. I have several students on here live right now. So those of you who are watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe and join our live so you can take the trades along with us, okay? So we are growing this small account. We started 2 days ago. It was $35 and now it's 72. Our goal is to get 3% out of this. So 3% of 72.49. Okay, using the key strategy. If you don't know what that is, go and watch the playlist. It's in. So our goal is to get to 74.66. Okay, and we're going to do that right now. We're going to use 1% trading rule. We're going to use a martingale strategy of 2.5x factor. So that means if we lose the first trade, we're going to multiply that by 2.5 and take a trade in the same direction. And we're going to be using what we call hedging. Now, hedging is where we have to take it in the opposite direction based on the market, what is happening in the market. Like now, right now, you can see we have each candle is 30 seconds and the timer here is 1 minute. We're using pocket options. Go and get your account there. I'm going to put the link in the description. You get 50% bonus if you use that link. And guys, remember, whatever I'm providing here is not financial advice or investing advice, and it's very risky. You can lose your entire investment. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. We're just sharing this for entertainment and for educational purposes. So you're doing this at your own risk, okay? So only go in here with the money that you can afford to lose. My student started this at $35. That's all she could afford to lose. She comes from a country where they live under $1 per day. So $35 is a lot of money. That's 35 days worth of work. Some of you live in places where $1 per day is nothing. So again, make your own decision, your due diligence. All right, so let's get started. So we're using the Bollinger Bands and the assets are right here. We're using the OTCs. You can see we're using the ones that are paying 92% because it's very risky. Okay, so let's see. Very risky here. Let's look at these pairs. Okay, you can see these are going down. You can see this is going down, so we can jump in there because we see the MACD, MACD is pointing down. The histogram is becoming weak. But sometimes when you hit the midline of the Bollinger Band, it acts as support and they start going up. So that could happen, but no problem. If we lose that, we're going to hedge. Okay, yeah, if it was the opposite, we're just gonna hedge the trade. Yeah, it does look like that. We have to hedge this, but just wait till it closes. We still have like 19 seconds to go. Okay, it's still going down. Yeah, because it's crossed and they are going down, down, down. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. And we're at 73.41. Our goal is 74.66. So let's take another trade. We go back to $1 because that's the minimum we can trade. This account is very small, guys. My student wants to get to 20K, from $35 to 20K in less than 6 months using the key strategy. If you don't know what the key strategy is, check the link in the bio. Go and watch the playlist. Make sure when we meet in our next live, you have an account open at Pocket Options. Use that link in the description. You get 50% bonus. Make sure you join the Smart Move Club if you want to learn these strategies. And if you want to learn how to trade, you can join our master classes. Okay? Whatever you want to learn how to trade. If you want to learn how to trade Forex, options, stocks, crypto, join our master classes. Okay. All right, so this is going up. We can jump in there. You can see it's starting to go up. It's green. So let's see if it goes up. We win. If it goes down, we lose. There's only two options, only two possible outcomes. So don't complicate life when it comes to trading. You can either lose or win. Just make sure you lose. You win more than you lose, and you end up being positive. Okay, so if you lose, make sure you don't lose much. Okay, and that's why we're using the 1% trading rule. We're only using 1% of our account. Okay, this we may have to hedge because it's gone away from us. Let's see, it's about to close in the opposite. Let's see if there's enough momentum. There we go. It is going. Oh, there we go. We lost that, but we're going to take it in the same direction, and we are going to take a bigger account trade in 5. We can hedge it. Okay. Oh, this is a bad sign here. It's a squeeze. The squeeze comes, is followed by a change in the trend or a breakout. So it could mean anything here, but let's see. It could be a breakout or it could mean a retracement because there's a squeeze on the Bollinger Bands. However, the MACD is pointing up. And now our main line is above the signal line, indicating a bullish momentum. But how strong is this? Is it going to keep it down here? Or it's going to go up? Let's see. Okay, if it goes up, we're going to go above our... Okay, there we go. Boom, boom, boom. We went way, way above our target. Our target was 74. And now we're at 75. Our daily target was 3%. Every day you want to grow the account by 3%. And we did. We went way, way above our 3%, guys. So we're going to call it quits here. But my student is going to continue trading until she can grow this account. The goal is to get to 20K. Okay, and every day we're going to be sharing this live so you guys can take the trades based on whatever your account is. You make whatever you can based on your account. So go ahead and get your Pocket Option account going and follow these trades. Okay, I'm a little under the weather today, guys. You can hear my voice, but this is because I love you guys so much. That's why I'm here sacrificing, training and sharing this for free, courtesy to my students. If you want to be trained by any of our coaches, we have coaches from all over the world. Join the Smart Wolf Club and you can join our masterclasses. If you want to learn how to trade options, you can join the options, the binary options masterclass. If you want to learn how to trade stocks, you can join the stocks masterclass, forex trading, crypto. If you want to learn digital marketing, how to make lots of money online, you can join the digital marketing masterclass. And if you want to learn just about the markets, the various markets, financial fundamentals, you can get our financial fundamental bundles. All those are available in the Smart Wolf Club. The links are in the description, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any trainings. And I think with that, guys, I am out of here and I will see you guys the next day. Hit the bell notification. So we're gonna go live tomorrow. Make sure you have your account ready, Pocket Option account, because we're gonna be trading on Pocket Option. The same student is gonna continue trading. You guys can take the trades together along, follow along, okay? And let's see what you guys can do. This is your year, man. Thank you. Have a good day, good night, good morning, and good afternoon.
And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out.